Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a chicken in a blue cheese sauce. This dish is the perfect meal. It's tasty, it's hearty, and it's sure to be an instant hit with the whole family. So sit back, relax and enjoy, and thanks for watching. So first we place 2 large chicken breasts onto a baking sheet lined with greaseproof paper, and we're going to season both sides with salt and pepper. Then over to a preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan, and we're going to cook that for 20 to 25 minutes just until the chicken's cooked through. Now while the chicken is cooking, we're going to spray a pan with low calorie cooking oil, and we're going to add 1 medium leek that's been trimmed, washed and cut into thick slices. We'll cook the leeks over a medium heat for about 5 minutes, stirring often just until they are softened. Now we're going to pour in 150 milliliters of chicken stock and boil until that's reduced by half. Now I'll stir in 40 grams of low fat cheese and 20 grams of Danish blue cheese. Stir the cheese until it melts and the sauce thickens, and this will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Now folks, if you're enjoying my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch to the end for further videos. Once the sauce is thickened, it's time to serve. Now I've just served mine on a bed of mashed potatoes. Place the sliced chicken on top, and then we're going to cover in the leek sauce. Now again folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my further videos.